Be motivated. If you can think, you can even do it. Your willingness is very much important. My point is that if you are thinking and if you are having these resources as well, and if you are thinking, you are planning that you will be passing this paper, you are having the resources, you are having my lectures, my query support. So if you can think seriously, you can do it. All the things, your willingness is very much important, and do not neglect your willingness. For example, one person is capable and he is not willing. For me, he is zero, because he's having the capability, but the willingness is not allowing him or her to execute the task. So according to my point of view, he or she is zero. Next point. I am 100% sure that you people are capable students. Why? Because you are studying probably the last paper of ACCA. So that means you have attempted 11, 12 papers in the past and you have passed it. So that is the enough evidence that you people are capable enough. So work on your willingness, and willingness means that you should study with the strict discipline. You know, tie the AAA lectures in your daily life, in your daily routine schedule. That is, you should, allocate the time that you are supposed to study daily 2 hours. Spend 2 hours daily on the lectures. No matter you cover one lecture, two lecture, three lecture, four lectures, but at least bring this into your schedule. So this is a very much important area, that schedule yourself for the lectures. Do not skip or do not give the very lengthy breaks on your lectures. Why? Because it will gonna disturb your planning, and at the last moment you will be you might be you might be having the problem to revise the things. Okay, so right from the very beginning, you should schedule yourself.